Welcome to another video from STEM Smart Labs. In this video, we will be taking a look at an Arduino based Tic Tac Toe game. You can find the code files in the GitHub link given below. Open the Arduino IDE and click on Files. Head over to Examples and navigate to the Tic Tac Toe program. The game will be displayed on an OLED display controlled by an IR remote with an auditory feedback from a buzzer. The code allows the user to play against a friend or a simple computer. The OLED serves as the game board. It presents a menu to choose between friend and computer. The arrow buttons up, down, left and right on the IR remote move the cursor on the game board to select a cell. The user confirms a move and places an X or O in the selected cell. The buzzer provides an auditory feedback for user actions and game events. Once the player finishes the game, the code navigates them back to the menu screen. Now, when playing against the computer, after a player makes a move, the buzzer will sound briefly and the OLED will update to show the O placed by the computer. If all cells are filled and no winner is found, the OLED clears and displays draw. The system then returns to the game mode selection menu. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more interesting videos.